concealed closer.
So here's the spring adjuster, guys. That's gonna line up with this hole here. So it's just gonna slip into here, and then we're gonna screw it in and attach it into here, and there's a screw that goes in here. So I'm gonna do this bolt first. So here I have it. Okay, so the other screws are these here. And those are just gonna attach with the lock washers right into here. Right here. So let's go ahead. Okay, and I'll tighten up that 7/16 real quick. Then the concealed closer will be ready to go.